Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set financial savings goals in Lendingclub. Setting saving goals in Lendingclub is a straightforward way to stay on track. Here's how to do it. First step, log in. Open the Lendingclub app, or you can go to the online banking platform and then go to your savings dashboard. Of course, you're going to log in using your credentials, but once you're in, go to savings dashboard. Next is to add a goal. Here you can just tap add goal, and you can of course give it a name. Could be whatever it is that you want, such as emergency funds or travel, leisure, whatever it is. But once that's done, next step is to enter details. You can set your target amount and deadline. The app will calculate exactly how much to save each period in order to reach that goal. Next is to link your goal. You can connect it to your main savings or a sub account to keep funds organized. Next step is to automate transfers. You can schedule recurring deposits from checking into your goal. Finally, track progress. Check the app's progress bar to see how close you are to reaching your targets. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.